Who is considered the seal of the prophets? Answer C. Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. What is the meaning of kafir? Answer B. Disbeliever. Which prophet could speak in the cradle? Answer A. Isa alayhi salam. What does Iqra mean? Answer B. Recite. Before answering the final question, drop us a follow to increase your Islamic knowledge, comment down your score, and share. What is Sirat? Answer A. A bridge over hell.